Well, good morning to all of my emerging leaders, all of my mid-level managers all across North America, building the public sector one leader at a time. Well, this is it. We've come to the end. The end. No more me interrupting your day with an email. No more live broadcasts. None of that. It's all come to the end now. Now, what does that mean? Well, a couple of housekeeping items. First of all, I'm sending your directors your participation levels, everybody's participation level in the program. And they may or may not choose to hand out certificates. That'll be up to them. We also send them a template of a certificate. You might talk to them if you'd like a certificate of your participation or completion in the program. Second of all, this information is available to you to the end of the year. You can access the portal till the end of the year, January 1st. Now, what does that mean? Well, that means that if you wanted to come back and review the information, it's available to you. If it means that if you wanted to take the director's track, it's available to you. All you have to do is email us and we'll change your preference so that you can enter that track. I would utilize the information. Not only would I utilize the information for myself, but I would use it for my team. You now have a framework of leadership that can be revisited. You don't have to come up with stuff. You can just pull an email that you liked and share that video. You can pull a part of a teaching that you liked and share that. You can share, the leadership style inventory, whatever it is. There's a ton of tools in there that you can use however you want. But make no mistake, you need to use it. There's no doubt that you're important. There's no doubt that collectively you touch every citizen from cradle to grave. There's no doubt that the work that you do is critical to building a 21st century community. We couldn't have one without you. And there's also no doubt that we are in interesting times. What does that mean? That means we need people like you. We need leaders like you to rise up. But if you always do what you've always done, you'll always get what you've always got. So if you want a little bit different answer tomorrow than we had yesterday, something's going to have to, that's right, change. And that starts with you. What will you do a little bit differently because of our 15 weeks together? Because if you go back to work and do it exactly the same this week as you did it 16, 17 weeks ago, then this has been a waste of time. A waste of my time, a waste of your time, a waste of our collective time. And I think you would agree we don't have time to waste. So you got to do something now. Some of you made your commitments of the one thing that you were going to do. Follow through on the commitment. Those of you that haven't made a commitment, make one. Make one. What's the one thing that you're going to do a little bit better? Now, do I believe that we can change the whole big bad world? No. No. But I believe you can handle your little corner of it. I'll handle my little corner of the world. You handle your little corner of the world. And the collective of that, the collective impact, is we'll have a better world. All of us here on the team, thank you for your hard work. We thank you for your dedication. We thank you for all the time and energy that you put in. But make no mistake, if we don't do it a little bit different than we did it the day before, nothing's going to change. And if nothing's going to change, then this whole thing has been a waste. Thank you for your hard work. If we can ever help you in any way, just let us know. Take care, everybody.